Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Pyare bachcho, assalamu alaikum. Pyare bachcho, yesterday we have discussed about the poem Summer and Winter. Now today we will do the textual questions of this poem. Pyare bachcho, your first question of this lesson is, what do the opening lines of the poem describe? Answer: in these lines, the poet describes an afternoon in the sunny month of June. He says that it was a beautiful sunny afternoon when everything seemed to be full of joy. Second question: what is the effect of the shining sun on the objects of nature? Answer: all the objects of nature seem to be full of joy under the sun. Third question: how is winter described in the poem? Answer: winter is described as a terrible weather in the poem. Birds had begun to die in deep forests, the fishes lay stiffened in the frozen water. People living in comfortable homes had gathered round big fires, and yet they felt cold. Fourth question: explain the following lines. All things rejoiced beneath sun, the weeds, the river, and the cornfields and the reeds, the willow leaves that glanced in the light breeze, and firm foliage of the larger trees. Answer: in these lines, the poet describes a bright and cheerful afternoon. He says that everything on the earth seemed to be full of joy: the weeds, the river, the cornfields, the reeds, the willow leaves glittering in the gentle breeze, the firm leaves of larger trees, and in fact, all things under the sun seem to be full of joy. Fifth question of your book is, how does the poem end? The poem ends on a sad note. The poet says that during winter, people living in comfortable homes gather round big fires, and yet they feel cold. The poet feels sad to think of the old homeless beggars who have no place to hide their head in such terrible weather. Now, another question from your book is language work. Use of words to describe pictures, sounds, moments, smell, taste, etc. is called imaginary. These words are called imaginary, which we cannot see but can feel. These are called imaginary words. In the poem, bright and cheerful afternoon, silver clouds, and translucent eyes are visual words. वो चीज़ जो हम देख सकते हैं आंखों से उनको बोलते हैं हम विजुअल इमेजेस. राइट डाउन सम मोर इमेजेस फ्रॉम द बुक. इसी तरह के इमेजेस और लिखो जो आपने पढ़े हैं इस पोएम में. आंसर इसका है, हमने सनी मंथ ऑफ जून अपनी आंखों से देखा है. फ्लोटिंग माउंटेन्स, leaves that glanced, a wrinkle called, etc. These are the visual images in the poem. Another question from your book is, pick out the rhyming words from the poem. Rhyming words choose करना है poem में से. यानी rhyming words are those words which have different meaning but sound is same. यानी यहाँ पे है afternoon June, clouds clouds, weeds reeds, breeze trees, die lie, makes lakes, when men, cold old. These are the rhyming words from the poem. Now another question number third of language work is, write down 5 adjectives from the poem. 5 adjectives निकालो, poem में से 5 adjectives निकालो. Adjectives are those words which add something to the noun या which describes the noun. यानी यहाँ पे है cheerful जो डिस्क्राइब करता है आफ्टरनून. चेयरफुल यहाँ पे है ये एडजेक्टिव चेयरफुल. सनी यहाँ पे है ये एडजेक्टिव सनी. सनी मंथ ऑफ जून, सनी है यहाँ पे एडजेक्टिव. इसी तरह है ये स्टेनलेस. स्टेनलेस है एडजेक्टिव यहाँ पे, ये डिस्क्राइब करता है स्काई को. इसी तरह है यहाँ पे लाइट ब्रीज, लाइट भी है एक. इसी तरह है कंफर्टेबल मैन, कंफर्टेबल मैन. दीज आर द यहाँ और होमलेस, होमलेस बैगर, होमलेस है यहाँ पे एडजेक्टिव, कंफर्टेबल है यहाँ पे एडजेक्टिव। इसी तरह है चेयरफुल, सनी, stainless. These are the adjectives which we use in which the poet used in the poem. Dear students, in next class we will do the other topics of this book. Shukriya.